up, everybody? It's Sam. I'm here in nature, as you can see. Um, just walking right now. Yeah, nature's hot. You know, I will say that. Um, I'm gonna, I guess, read a script here from Emerson's Nature, if I can pull it up. Okay. There are also a lot of bugs here in nature. Like, really, this is not. But yeah, okay. Emerson says, nature never wears a man appearance. Neither does a wise man extort her secret and lose his curiosity by finding out all of her perfections. So, when I read that, you know, I understood that by saying, like, let's say, well, nature never wears a mean appearance. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, yeah. Never, nature never wears a mean appearance. You know, I kind of felt like it meant like it's never going to be fixed or something, because you never know what you're going to get in nature. You know, right now I hear birds. They probably in trees somewhere, and you know, stuff falling and everything out the trees. Y'all can see all of that. And of course, bugs are following me for some reason. But but you never know what to get though. There could be some rabbits out here, snakes. As long as they don't come out here, you know, I'm straight. But I mean, you never know. Everybody else might see something different throughout this whole project. Well, great thing. Um, it also says, neither does the wisest man extort her curiosity. So, the wisest man extort her curiosity. If you think of that, that